When an engine is running lean, it's running efficiently. When a business is running lean, it's running efficiently and safely. Hello, I'm Dan Clark of The Safety Brief. This is where we talk about health and safety hazards in today's demanding industrial and construction work sites. Lean. What is lean? For that engine, it's about not using too much fuel. In lean manufacturing, it's much the same. An efficient workflow is a safer workflow. Yeah, lean manufacturing principles can make a workplace more efficient and safer, not just one or the other. Lean is a methodology which aims to make businesses less wasteful, more efficient, and more profitable. So how does this relate to safety? Consider an example lean project. A factory in Minnesota wanted to reposition its assembly line to make workflow work better. Originally, their machinery was positioned so that workers spent a lot of time moving materials from one station to the next. Now there is a safety hazard, physically carrying materials by hand or with vehicles. Managers switched to a U-shaped assembly line to get rid of the sloppy workflow and safety risks. To accomplish this, managers implemented 5S. Sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. They sorted all the machinery, tools, and other equipment and put everything back in a more useful arrangement. They cleaned and added helpful visual markings. During the cleaning, they also found old, worn floor markings, so they replaced those with floor marking tape. The end result, the U-shaped assembly line increased efficiency and increased safety. To start a lean program, there are 5 main steps. 1. Determine goals. Figure out what you want to gain from implementing lean. Is production too slow? Are you making defective products? Make sure lean changes will get you closer to your goal, not farther away. 2. Inform employees. When workers know changes are coming and why they're coming, they'll be less resistant. 3. Put new systems in place. These could be new tools or machines, visual signs, or rearranging the workspace. Don't do it while they work. Try to do this during downtime when employees are off-site, but make sure to involve them in the planning of the changeover process. 4. Provide training. Workers will need to understand the changes in normal operations and how their work may change. 5. Assess regularly. Monitor the new processes to be sure your changes stick. The first few months are critical. Ask yourself, are you getting closer to your goals? You should see efficiency and safety increase. That's all for this episode. Come back for more tips and techniques on how to stay safety compliant in today's ever-changing landscape of safety requirements. I'm Dan Clark of The Safety Brief, sponsored by Creative Safety Supply. See the website at creativesafetysupply.com.